Hair loss is a common problem among ladies. Well, you don't have to worry anymore. In this video we will be talking about some natural and cheap remedies for you. Most products in the market today contain chemicals that have unpleasant side effects when you use them. Try using these natural remedies to regrow your hair. 1. Black pepper. This may sound absurd. We all know black pepper is used for cooking, but it also works great in promoting new hair follicle growth. Regular use of black pepper decreases shedding and also works as a scalp detox. To apply black pepper to your hair, first grind a few peppercorns into a smooth paste by adding a few drops of lemon juice, then apply it to the balding spot, wait till it dries, and then rinse. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used for so many things that even when it comes to hair growth it is not left out. The natural gel in aloe vera is great in helping to fight hair loss. Applying a quarter copy of aloe vera on your scalp weekly will help reduce dandruff and hair loss. Just apply aloe vera on the affected areas for 15 minutes at a time and then rinse it with warm water. 3. Onion. Though onion has a pungent smell, making most people dislike it. However, it is loaded with antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to restore lost nutrients to your scalp. It is also rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize breakage and thinning. To apply onion to your hair, massage the onion juice on the receding hairline and scalp, leave it on for an hour and rinse it clean with a mild shampoo. 4. Olive oil. Lastly, we have olive oil. It is super packed with antioxidants and vitamin E. Olive oil is used for many purposes. It is also good to regrow hair. Take a tablespoon of olive oil, add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a tablespoon of honey. Massage it onto the balding spot and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, rinse it clean with a mild shampoo. If you like this video, share with friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe to be updated with our latest videos.